Yeah, let's see how to see through different planes, or scanning through different planes of any mesh. You want to look into the volume, or you want to look into the volumetric mesh. You want to scan through different planes how the mesh looks like. So you need to launch this Fluent through meshing mode and select the number of processors you wanna. Even you can select one processor as well. That doesn't even matter at all. Just to check for the mesh. So start it into the meshing mode, and you'll see the option to import the mesh file here. So let's start it, and I'm gonna see here. I'm gonna import the mesh file here, data meshes file. I just go here on the file, go to read and mesh, and a small pop-up window you will see here. Go to the respective folder where you put your where you have your mesh file. So I'm gonna load this. So right now you can't see any mesh here, any edges or whatever, that structure of the mesh. So what you need to do is to enable this face edges. So after you've enabled this, turn this on, and you can see that this is our mesh that we've generated over directly over this plane. You want to see, click over here. Let's zoom in, and if you want to see how much distance for for two nodes, how much distance is there, so you need to select through the nodes, this node selection filter. Here I've clicked over here. You just need to click the right mouse button over a particular node. Say I'm gonna check the distance between this and this node, so I'm gonna click over here, right click, another right click over here, and now you just click over this distance. So you can see this is a yellow line, and you can see the distance here. The distance will be shown up here. I'm going to show you this in console window. This is the distance. That is 1. 1 means the 1 unit, whatever the unit you've selected while making the domain. So boundary nodes, this is showing 18. This is the node 1. That means this node. This is 100,8,8, and this is 100,7,8. So this is the vertical plane. Yeah, and you want to scan through different planes. How does the mesh look like? So what you need to do is insert clipping plane first thing, and because you can see this this is hollow, so you want to see the planes, you just enable the layer, draw cell layer. So now you can see these different layers here. This is how you can see. So you may drag this by the drag menu, or you can see through different planes, or you just can simply click over these arrows back and forth. So like I'm gonna go over back one by one layers. This is how you can see. Okay, and if you want to see this full view, or maybe you can reverse that as well. If you flip this over, so the remaining part you can see through this. Okay, that's all for this lecture. Bye bye and take care.